SRK, because I'm weirdly obsessed with him. I study him as if he's a subject. I just love learning more about him. And you have grown up seeing him, right? What do you think? What makes him, like, why Shah Rukh Khan is Shah Rukh Khan?
I think it's that charisma thing only. You know, when what I said about charisma, when you can be the king, but you still make everyone else feel like they are the king in a situation. He does that. The way he just has conducted himself, he's been very real. You know, if you watch his interviews, you watch his old interviews, he's never been some cookie cutter formulaic thing. He's always spoken his mind. He's always been honest and real. If he's gotten angry, he's gotten angry. If he's happy, he's happy. If he's emotional, he's emotional. You've seen all sides of him.
That authenticity.
He's always been authentic. And I think also the way he's treated women, the respect he's given women in real life and also in his films. I read this book, which I can't remember the name, but it's something about like the statistics and the math of why women love Shah Rukh Khan. And it's because of, you know,
there's a book about why women love Shah Rukh Khan.
I don't know what the name it is. It's just an outstanding book.
Wow.
Because it, like the small things that they talk about, how like the number of dialogues that women actresses have in his film are like so much more. The way even in like a Dar or a Bazigar, when he's played the so-called evil character, he's never degraded the woman that he's in love with. He's always hyped her up, or she's been like this, like everything has been rosy about this woman, you know. So